कोभिड-19 को महामारीले गर्दा पठन पाठनमा भएको असहज परिस्थितिमा पनि रिड नेपाल र कालिका मानवज्ञान मावि बुटवलद्वारा उत्पादित यो कार्यक्रम ग्रिन तारा नेपाल, फेडो नेपाल र रिड नेपालबाट संयुक्त रूपमा सञ्चालित स्ट्रङ गर्ल्स प्रोजेक्टको एक अंश हो। यस करोडा जर्मनी तथा जर्मन सरकार BMZ को आर्थिक सहयोग रहेको छ। स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ।
Welcome all the dear students. It's me Vinita Thapa, Class 5 English teacher of Kalika Manavgyan School. Today also we have picked one topic from grammar portion, and that topic is noun, and its kind. What we are going to learn today? We are going to learn noun and its kind. Now, before we start about its type, let's know what is noun. Okay, can you define what is noun? You might have learned this already in class 4 as well. Now, let me remind you what is noun. Very simple definition is there. Noun, it is the naming word of what? Person, place or thing. What is noun? Noun, it is the naming word of person, place or thing. Now, what is my name? What did I call my name? My name is Vinita. For example, Vinita. Likewise, what is this? It is a thing. It is duster. And where do we live? In which place do we live? Where we are living here? Butual. So it is the name of place. Likewise, can you name the highest peak of this world? Highest peak of this world. That is, yes, that is Mount Everest, etc. These all are the example of nouns. See, it's very easy. It is the naming word of person, place or thing. Like, for example, my name is Vinita. Likewise, it is duster. And in which place do we live? Butual, which is the highest mountain peak of the world. That is Mount Everest. So, these are the few examples of noun. Now, I guess you all are clear about noun. And as I finish my explanation, dear students, please do not forget to note down in your copy so that it will be easier for you. Now we will go to next topic, that is its kind. Okay, can you guess how many type of noun have we got? How many types of noun? Can you see how many fingers are there in my hand? How many fingers? 5, right? 5 fingers. So, it is very easy to remember. There are fingers in hand, 5. Likewise, types of noun also 5. There are 5 types of noun. How many types of noun? 5 types of noun. Now, the first one is proper noun. Which noun? Proper noun. Proper noun. Second is common noun. Second is common noun. Now, third one. Third is collective noun. Third is collective noun. Now, the fourth one is abstract noun. Which noun? Abstract. Abstract. Now, the last one is material noun. See, we have got 5 types of nouns. The first one is proper noun. Proper noun. Second is common noun. Third is collective noun. And fourth is abstract noun. Abstract. Fifth, the last one is material noun. Material noun. Now you might be thinking that how can we differentiate these types of noun, these different types of noun? Now we will be learning further. Okay, now at first let's go to proper noun. Okay, which noun? Proper noun. Now shall I erase it? I guess you have already copied this in your notes. Now at first let's go to the first type of noun, that is proper noun. Now what do you mean by proper noun? Proper noun, it is the name of a particular person, place or thing. It is the name of a particular person, place or thing. For example, can you tell me what is the name of our holy book of Hindu religion? What is that? Gita, Bhagavad Gita, right? Bhagavad Gita. It is the particular name of our holy book of Hindu religion, right? So Bhagavad Gita is proper noun. Now can you tell me what is the capital of our country? Capital of our country, that is Kathmandu. That is Kathmandu. Likewise, can you tell me the longest river of Nepal? Longest river, that is Karnali. Karnali. Now, can you tell me any of your friend's name? Any of your friend's name? Okay. Now, I'm going to write my friend's name. Now, let's write Kapil. Likewise, one girl named Sita, etc. It is the name of a particular person, place or thing. Here it is place, right? It is person, this is thing. Clear? And one thing, have you noticed an example or not? What is that? No. What is this? You have to keep in your mind that proper nouns always remain capital. You have to keep this in mind. Proper nouns always remain capital, like Bhagavad Gita, Kathmandu, Karnali, Kapil and Sita. See, all these are in capital letter. So, do not forget this. Now once again, let's see it. Proper noun, it is the name of a particular person, place or thing. For example, Bhagavad Gita, Kathmandu, Karnali, Kapil, Sita, etc. Now this is about proper noun. Now let's go to common noun, and as there is a relation between proper noun and common noun, it will be easier for you to understand. At first we will learn about common noun and then we will look in the slide. I guess you have noted down. Now let's go to common noun. Second is common noun. Okay. Second type of noun is common noun. Common noun. Now what do you mean by common noun? It is the common name given to person, place, thing, etc. It is the common name. Now to understand common noun, we need some examples of proper noun. Okay, there I will write few examples of proper noun. Like, what examples did we give? Kapil was there, Sita was there. Likewise, Kathmandu, Karnali, Bhagavad Gita. It is these were the example of what? Proper noun. Now you might be thinking, teacher is teaching about common noun. We are learning about common noun, but why do we need examples of proper noun? Now let's relate this. Now for example, Kapil is, who is Kapil? What is Kapil? Kapil is boy, right? Kapil is boy. It is the common name given to Kapil, to all the males. So, boy is common noun. Likewise, Sita. Sita is obviously girl, right? Girl. It is common name given to all the females. So, it is girl. Either that is Sita or Geeta or Ramya or Jansi, anybody. It is given to the female. So, girl is common. Likewise, Kathmandu. Kathmandu is city. City, right? Likewise, Karnali. Karnali is river. And Bhagavad Gita is book. Name of holy book. See. We have written these examples, which we got clue from proper nouns. So I said you earlier that there is a relation between proper noun and common noun. When you know properly about proper noun, then you will be able to create a relation between proper noun and common noun. Clear? It is a common name given to person, place, thing, etc. Likewise, I would like to give you more examples about common noun. Like Kapil, he became big. Now he is doing job. What job? He may be doctor or engineer or pilot, isn't it? So, let's imagine he became doctor. Sita, she became nurse. Isn't it? These all are also what? Common noun. Okay, now let's have a look towards the slide. Now see there, one number. What type was that? Proper noun. Proper noun, it is the name of a particular place, person or thing. For example, Ram Priya, Tansen, Bagmati, Monday, Mahabharat, Mount Everest, etc. And as I told you earlier, you have to keep it in your mind that proper nouns always remain capital. Do not forget this. Proper nouns always remain capital. And second is common noun. It is the common name to all persons, animals, places and things. For example, now just have a look towards the example of proper noun. Ram. Ram is a boy. So, boy is common noun. Now, Priya. Priya is a girl. So, girl is common noun. Tansen, it is the name of place. Bagmati is the name of river. Likewise, Monday is the name of day. So, day is common noun. Likewise, Mahabharat is the name of book. So, book is common noun. And the last one, Mount Everest, is the name of mountain. So, mountain is common noun. Okay, now I guess you are clear about proper noun and common noun and you have written those in your notes as well. Now let's go towards our third type, that is, what is third type? That is collective noun. Which noun? Collective noun. Okay. Collective noun, that is third type. Collective noun. Okay. Now what is collective noun? A noun denoting a group of Okay. A noun denoting a group of people or things is collective noun. A noun denoting a group of people or things is collective noun. For example, now it is the collection. What is a group of people called? When there are a group of people, many people are there, what do we call? For example, a crowd of what? A crowd of people. A crowd of people. Likewise, have you seen hive of bees? Have you seen any one single bee living in a tree? No, isn't it? You have seen group of bees. What do you call that group of bees? We call a swarm. Swarm, or we also call hive. A swarm or a hive of bees. A swarm or hive of bees. Likewise, now let's go to the next example. A team. Team. A team is the group of what? Of players. A team of players. See, a crowd of people. So, crowd is collective noun. It is the collection of people. Likewise, collection of bees, swarm or hive. You can write either swarm or hive. Both are correct. Now, the next is the collection of players is called what? Team. So, crowd, swarm, hive and team, these are collective noun. Collective noun. Clear? Now these are few examples of collective noun, etc. Are you clear? Now once again I'd like to repeat it. A noun denoting a group of people or things is collective noun. A crowd of people, a swarm or hive of bees, a team of players, etc. This is collective noun. I guess you have written this all in your note copy. Now, let's move towards our fourth type. Our fourth type, that is, which one is fourth type? That is abstract noun. Fourth type is abstract noun. Now, what do you mean by abstract noun? Okay. A noun which denotes the feel, the feeling, or state is called which noun? Abstract noun. Now, it is a bit difficult than those three types. Now, to understand it clearly, you can say that abstract noun is the feel. It cannot be touched. It cannot be touched. It is just the feeling. For example, happiness. Happiness is the feel. Can you touch it? No, we can only feel that. Happiness. Likewise, sadness. Poverty, etc. Now, abstract noun is just the feeling which cannot be touched. It can be felt only. We can feel that only. We cannot touch that. So, happiness, sadness, poverty. Is it clear? Abstract noun. Now we will move towards the last type of noun. What was that? Material noun. What is that? Material noun. Now what is material noun? It is the name of a material or the substances by which things are made. It is the name of a material or the substances by which things are made. Like for example, can you see what is in my neck? This is chain. What is it made of? It is made of what? Gold. Is it? It is made of gold. So, gold is material noun. Likewise, it is duster. This is what? Duster. What is it made of? This part. It is made of wood. So, wood is material noun. Now, this is marker. Marker. What is this outer covering made of? It is made of plastic. So, plastic is what? Plastic is material noun. Is it clear? It is the name of a material or the substances by which things are made. For example, gold, wood, plastic, etc. Are you clear about this? Abstract noun, material noun. Abstract noun, material noun. Now, the first type of noun was proper noun. Second type was common noun. Proper noun and common noun, we had a look on the slide. Now the rest of three we will look on the slide and learn from there. Now have a look on the slide. Third number, collective noun. A noun denoting a group of individuals or things is called a collective noun. What is it? It is a noun denoting a group of individuals or things is called a collective noun. For example, a team of players. A team of players. What is the collection of players called? It is team. So the word which is written in red, these are collective noun. Likewise, a crowd of people. Collection, a group of people is called crowd. A flock of sheep. A flock of sheep. Flock is the group of sheep, so it is collective noun. Okay, now let's have a look at fourth type, that is abstract noun. Abstract noun. Now before I start abstract noun, I'd like to tell all the students that if you had problem while noting down from whiteboard, then you can write from the slide as well. Words may be a bit different, but the meaning are same. So don't get confused. Okay, now let's go to fourth number, abstract noun. A noun denoting quality, action or state is called an abstract noun. Or I told you earlier that it is only the feeling. We cannot touch it. We can only feel that. Abstract noun. For example, bravery, kindness, poverty, happiness, politeness, etc. These are the examples of abstract noun. Now we have got the last type of noun, that is material noun. What is that? Material noun. It is the name of material or substances from which things are made. For example, gold, iron, wood, copper, etc. I guess you all are clear about noun and its kind. Now once again, I would like to repeat these all. Noun, it is the naming word of person, place or thing. How many types of noun are there? There are 5 fingers in our hand, so there are 5 types of noun. It is easy to remember. The first one, proper noun. Second, common noun. Third, collective noun. Fourth, abstract noun. And the last one, material noun. Is it clear? Okay, now let's do some class activity together. Okay, dear students, please have a look towards the slide. Now class activity is there. Separate the nouns in the following table. At first, now you might be thinking that there is no table. But before we have a look at the table, at first let's have a look towards the noun which are given below and let's identify them. Which type of noun it is? The first one, Karnali. Karnali is the name of what? River. I'm just giving you a clue. Think which type of noun it is. Next is country, boy, college, fagun, bundle, friendship, flock, iron, dasai, gang, deer, nurse, cruelty, happiness, herd, oil, Simon, silver, Annapurna, doctor, swam, ability, September, and the last one is cotton. I guess, my dear students, you have found some types of noun. Now, let's check either the answer you thought or you wrote in your notebook is correct or not. Now see here. Proper noun, Karnali is the name of river, is the name of particular river. Fagun is the name of what? Month. Dasai, it is the particular name of festival. Simon is the name of girl. Annapurna, it is the name of mountain. Likewise, the last proper noun is September. September, it is the name of English month. And as I said you earlier, that proper noun always remains capital. Now once again, let's have a look towards the question. See, if you see in the questions, then the words whichever are written in capital, they all are listed in proper noun. Very, very much easy way to find out proper noun. Now, see the common noun. Country, boy, college, nurse, doctor, deer. These are common noun. Collective noun. Collective noun. What was collective noun? It is the collection of individual or things, right? Bundle. Bundle is the collection of. Bundle is the collection. So it comes under collective noun. Likewise, flock, gang, gang of thieves. We call the group of thieves is called gang. Likewise, herd and swarm. These are collective nouns. Abstract noun. It is the feeling. I told you earlier, it is just the feeling which cannot be touched, but we can feel it. Friendship, cruelty, happiness, ability. Now the last one, material noun, iron, silver, oil and cotton. Iron, silver, oil and cotton. Okay, this was the first activity. Now, next, match group A with group B. Group A with group B. Here you can find many examples of collective noun. A class of, an army of. The words whichever are in a red, they all are collective nouns. Now you have to find out the answer. You have to match them. An army of, a band of, a flock of, a galaxy of, a forest of, a pack of, a swarm or hive of, a bunch of, a library of. Okay. Now a class of. What will be the answer? A class of. Inside class, who stays? Students. So, a class of students. Likewise, an army of. What do you think the answer is? See the answer? An army of soldiers. An army of soldiers. Dear students, please note down these questions and whenever I give you answer, please match the answers. A class of students, an army of soldiers. Now a band of. A band of musicians. A band of musicians. A flock of birds or sheep. a flock of birds or sheep. Before, when we read about collective noun, we wrote only a flock of sheep. But the group of birds is also called a flock. Likewise, a galaxy. You might have heard this galaxy word, this term in science. It is related to stars. A galaxy of stars, group of stars is called galaxy. Likewise, a forest of, obviously, the answer is trees. A pack of wolves or cards. Pack of wolves or cards. A swarm or hive of bees. A bunch of keys. Likewise, the last one, answer is very easy. A library. What do you find in library? We find books in library. A library of books. So, here are many examples of collective nouns, and dear students, please try to find out the collection of these individuals or things. Okay, now have a look on the slide. Dear students, this will be your assignment to do at home. Now I will explain it, how to do it. Now underline the nouns. At first, what you have to do, you have to underline the nouns, identify the nouns and underline it. And write its type as well. You have to write its type. As we read, noun are of 5 types. At first, you have to underline the nouns and then you have to write its type. The first one, Siddhartha is a farmer. Siddhartha is a farmer. Likewise, my ring is made of gold. You have to, how many nouns are here? At first, underline them and then write its type. For the clue, I will tell the answer of first. Siddhartha is a farmer. There are 2 nouns. That is Siddhartha and farmer. Siddhartha is proper noun and farmer is common noun. In this way, you have to write down in your notebook. Now, next number, my ring is made of gold. Identify how many nouns are here and write its type as well. He always drinks water. Primary education is free in our country. Primary education is free in our country. There is a friendship between Alicia and Elijah. Don't show cruelty to anybody. Karnali is the longest river of Nepal. Okay, once again I would like to tell you that at first underline the nouns and then write it type. Okay, this is your assignment. Hope you have written this in your notebook. Now, in our today's class, we learned about what? We learned about noun and its kind. Now, before we depart, I would like to summarize again once whatever we learned today. Noun. Noun is the naming word of person, place or thing. For example, I have written here, what is this? It is watch. It is noun. What is this? It is marker. What is this? It is duster. These are nouns. Name of places also. Name of countries. Name of rivers. Name of person. Name of animals. These all. Likewise, how many types of noun? There are 5 types of noun. The first one, proper noun. Proper noun is the name of particular person, place or thing. For example, the name of our country, Nepal. The name of the highest mountain peak, Mount Everest. Likewise, Gandaki. Karnali, Annapurna. These all are proper nouns. And one thing to remember is that proper noun always remains capital. Now the second type was what? Common noun. Common noun is the common name given to person, places or things. Common noun. Like for example, Binita, I am women. So women is the common name. Likewise, Bagmati is river. River is what? River is common noun. The third one was what? The third one, collective noun. It denotes to the collection of individual or things. For example, crowd of people. Crowd is collective noun. And what? Library of books. Group of books, collection of books is called library. This is collective noun. Now the fourth one was abstract noun. Abstract noun is just a feeling which we cannot touch. We can only feel that. Okay? Abstract noun. For example, happiness, cruelty, sadness. These are abstract noun. And the last one is material noun. It is the name of a material or the substances by which things are made. For example, furnitures are made of what? Wood. Wood is material noun. Tea is made of plastic. Plastic is material noun. Now, at home you have got knives. What are they made of? They may be made of iron. Iron is what? Material noun. So, I guess in today's class you have understood about noun and its type. Okay, now I would like you to do all the assignments, and please, if you have any queries or any problem, you are welcome to ask your teachers, or you can search the answers in internet as well. I guess you have got internet access at home. Please take help of your guardian as well. Take help of your sisters and brothers and keep on studying. And in next class, we will be again picking out one topic from grammar. As we know that in English subject, grammar is very much important. So this much for today. Please keep in touch with your teachers, and if you have any problem, your problems will be solved by your teachers. Thank you very much.